multiplication table of 4. Today we will learn the multiplication table of 4. Neha, my younger sister's birthday is in a few days from now. Papa has asked me to find out how many number of tables and chairs will be required for all the guests to sit. I have identified the number of chairs, but I am not able to find out the number of tables needed.
Why not? You can find out the number of tables in the same way you found out the number of chairs.
It's not that simple. It is very easy to find out the number of chairs. There are a total of 32 guests coming. So the number of chairs also will be 32. But a table will be used by many, and that is why I am puzzled.
Okay, come on, I will help you. Just tell me the total number of guests.
32.
And how many guests can use one table?
4.
Each table is for 4 guests. To know how many guests will use 2 tables, you have to add 4 2 times. For 3 table, you have to add 4 3 times. That means you have to read the multiplication table of 4.
What does a table mean?
The list you get when you multiply a number from 1 to 10 is called a multiplication table. Multiplication table of 4 will be the sequence you get when you multiply 4 from 1 to 10. If I could remember the multiplication table of 4, I could easily tell you the number of tables.
Okay, you don't need any pen and paper if you remember the multiplication table.
Yes, you don't need any pen and paper.
What should we do now?
We will write the multiplication table.
But how do we write it?
It is very easy. Keep adding 4 again and again, or keep leaving 4 numbers and count them.
I don't understand.
Look, to know the first number in multiplication table of 4, we will multiply 4 by 1. For that, we have to add 4 only once. The answer will be 4.
If we add any number once, we get the same number.
Yes, that's why 2 ones are 2 and 3 ones are 3.
Ones means?
Ayushman, we sing to memorize the tables easily. That's why 2 times 1 equal to 2 is read as 2 ones are 2, and 3 times 1 equals to 3 is read as 3 ones are 3.
Oh, that means 4 times 1 equals 4 is read as 4 ones are 4.
Now we got to know the first number in multiplication table of 4. There are 2 ways to find the next number. Either add 4 2 times or find the fourth number after 4.
Adding 4 2 times gives us 8. Now we will find the fourth number after 4. That is first, second, third and fourth number is 8. The answer is the same in both ways. That is 8. That means 4 2s are 8.
Yes, now we write the multiplication table of 4 by either of 2 methods.
Okay, we will find out. To find the answer for 3 times 4, either add 4 3 times or find the fourth number after 8. The fourth number after 8 is 12. And if we add 4 3 times, then also the answer is 12. This means 4 3s are 12.
Now to find out the next number, we will add 4 4 times.
Wait, Neha. I don't think we need to add 4 4 times.
Then how do we find out what 4 times 4 is?
Look, to find out 4 times 3, we have added 4 3 times, whose answer is 12. Now by adding 4 to 12, we can find out how much do we get if we add 4 4 times.
Okay, instead of adding 4 4 times, we will add 4 to 12.
And the answer will be 16. That is 4 4s are 16.
That means we can find the next number in the multiplication table of 4 by adding 4 to 16, which will be 20.
In the same way, we can find the next number by adding 4 to 20, that is 24.
This way, we will continue to add and we will find out the next number.
Now we get to know the whole multiplication table of 4. But my problem hasn't been resolved. How many tables are needed for 32 guests?
Hey, we already know it. Look, 32 comes in the multiplication table of 4 when we multiply 4 by 8. That means you need 8 tables.
Oh yes, from this multiplication table, we can say that 8 tables can be used by 32 guests.
Yes, now let's memorize this multiplication table of 4 in the sing-song manner. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40.
This is fun. This way we can easily remember the multiplication table of 4. Today you have learned that the list formed by multiplying a number from 1 to 10 is called the multiplication table of that number. And to find the multiplication table of any number, write the number first and keep on adding the same number. For example, to find the multiplication table of 4, write 4 first and add 4 to it. Add 4 again to the result. Keep doing this till you get the whole multiplication table.